Hey everyone, Jess from JB here. The last thing anyone wants when checking their dash cam footage after an accident is realizing the low resolution missed all the important details. That's where Navman swoops in with their MiVue PRO 4K, which packs Ultra HD footage and even voice control into its clever design. With Ultra HD resolution, the MiVue PRO is designed to catch those pesky little details you might usually miss. Day or night, dusk, dawn, rain or shine, the large image sensor is intelligently designed to minimize glare from headlights or sunlight and retain more important information. It has a 120-degree field of view that gives you a wide picture while avoiding any distortion on the edges. And to help you keep an eye on what's in the frame, the MiVue PRO comes with a 2.7-inch LCD display containing all the information you need. For those who want to keep a watchful eye around the back of their vehicle, the MiVue PRO 4K DC comes with a rear camera included in the box, giving you a 135-degree 2K Starvis video feed. If you want to record somebody driving dangerously in front of you, or if you just want to capture the beautiful scenery around you, you can just say emergency recording when you want it to begin. You can record in 3-minute or 15-minute blocks. The MiVue PRO 4K will automatically save and hold the footage to make sure it doesn't get overwritten. And you can then access the file via the EZYSHARE MiVue PRO app. The MiVue 4K brings new car tech without the need to buy a new car. It is equipped with advanced driver assistance warnings, alerting you to lane deviation and potential front-on collisions. If you have the dual camera system, it'll even warn you about potential rear collisions and anyone driving too close to you. You can choose to be kept in the loop with monthly safety camera updates, including speed cameras, premium safety alerts for school zones and accident black spots, so you can drive confidently, knowing you have extra protection at your fingertips. Sharing your captured moments is a breeze with the MiVue PRO 4K's EZYSHARE feature. Easily transfer and manage your footage using the MiVue PRO app with high-speed Wi-Fi download. You can share your footage with family and friends and easily access and share evidence of any mishaps when needed. Advanced Smart Parking Mode gives you surveillance and protection for your vehicle. With the optional Smart Box, front motion detection is activated even when the engine is switched off, so any movement near your parked vehicle will trigger a recording in Smart Parking Mode. With low power parking mode, the dashcam stays in a hibernating state and will wake up only when the G sensor detects any shocks, going back to sleep when the movement has stopped. For more information on the MiVue PRO 4K, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.